Constipation solutions. 5 proven methods for effortless and regular bowel movements. Have you ever found yourself straining on the toilet or feeling like you just can't go, no matter how much you try? If so, you're definitely not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with constipation, which can affect anyone at any stage of life. With its characteristic symptoms of infrequent bowel movements, difficulty passing stools, and discomfort or pain during bowel movements, constipation can be a real pain in the well, you know. It's a known fact that women tend to suffer from constipation more than men, and this is mostly due to physiological factors. Hormonal changes during pregnancy, menstruation, and menopause affect the smooth muscle contractions in the intestines, leading to constipation. And speaking of bowel movements, have you ever wondered how often is normal? According to experts, most people have bowel movements between 3 times a day and 3 times a week. But of course, it's different for everyone. The best is 3 times a day. So what causes constipation? There are a variety of factors such as a lack of fiber in your diet, dehydration, lack of physical activity, certain medications, stress, consuming too much dairy or processed foods, not drinking enough water or other fluids, lack of physical activity or a sedentary lifestyle, traveling and changes in routine, certain medical conditions such as hypothyroidism or diabetes, medications like opioids or antacids, and lastly, ignoring the urge to have a bowel movement. Like many diseases, constipation can be prevented or managed with the right approach. There are solutions available to help alleviate the symptoms of constipation, and we'll be diving into them in this video. Stay tuned. Proper chewing. The first thing you'd want to do is chew your food properly. Think of your gut as a factory. The better you process your food, the smoother the production line runs. One of the most overlooked but effective solutions for constipation is simply chewing your food well. When we rush through our meals and don't take the time to properly chew our food, it can lead to constipation. Chewing your food well helps to break down the food into smaller particles, making it easier for your body to digest. It also helps to stimulate the production of enzymes and stomach acid, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. But just how much should you be chewing? The general recommendation is to chew your food around 30 times before swallowing. This may seem like a lot, but the more you chew your food, the easier it will be for your body to digest. Proper mastication of food before swallowing also helps with weight management. When you take the time to chew your food well, you'll feel more satisfied and less likely to overeat. After 15 minutes, the stomach receives a signal that enough has been eaten. Try to spend at least 15 minutes on a meal. Drink water. Drinking water is one of the simplest and most effective solutions for constipation. When you're dehydrated, your body starts to pull water from your colon, making your stools harder and harder to pass. This is why drinking enough water is necessary for keeping your digestion regular. Any temperature of the water will do, but warm water is actually better for relieving constipation. Warm water helps to relax the muscles in your stomach and your intestines and stimulate bowel movements. A warm glass of water in the morning can be an easy and effective way to start your day off on the right foot. Also, drink a glass of warm water half an hour before each meal to relax the digestive tract. The general recommendation is to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. However, it's important to note that this can vary depending on your individual needs and activity level. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for at least 75 ounces of water per day. For 70 kilograms is around 2 liters. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't like the taste of plain water. If that's the case, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a slice of cucumber to give it a little flavor boost. You can also try drinking herbal teas, which can also help to stimulate bowel movements. Fiber. Fiber is an essential component of a healthy diet. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is not broken down by the body. It passes through the digestive system largely intact, and this is important because it helps to bulk up stools, making them easier to pass. The recommended daily intake of fiber is 21 to 25 grams for women and 30 to 38 grams for men. Let's move on to discussing some of the most effective sources of fiber. Fruits are a great place to start. Berries, apples, pears, and oranges are all high in fiber, and they're also easy to eat. Vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes are also excellent sources of fiber. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are also a great way to boost your fiber intake. And don't forget about nuts like almonds, pistachios, and walnuts, which also provide a good source of fiber. A point to note when choosing your fiber is the difference between dry and wet fibers. Dry fibers, such as those found in brown rice, require water to be properly digested and can actually dehydrate the colon. On the other hand, wet fibers found in vegetables like leafy greens and broccoli not only provide hydration but also act as a lubricant for the bowel movements. So when it comes to preventing constipation, it's important to focus on incorporating more wet fibers from vegetables into your diet, rather than relying solely on dry fibers found in grains. While adding more fiber to your diet, you need to do so slowly. Eating too much fiber too quickly can lead to uncomfortable side effects like gas or bloating. Your microbiome needs some time to adjust to more fibers. Exercise. Exercise is a powerful solution for preventing and relieving constipation. Sitting for extended periods of time slows down the gut, but regular physical activity can help to get things moving. Exercise keeps the gut healthy by stimulating muscle contraction, which helps to move food and waste through the digestive system. Yoga is a great form of exercise for preventing constipation. Yoga poses like the seated twist and the wind-relieving pose can help to massage the abdominal area and stimulate the muscles in the gut. Even simple exercises like walking, cycling, and swimming are also effective in relieving constipation. Eating prebiotics and probiotics. For total gut health, probiotics and prebiotics form an essential duo. Prebiotics are non-digestible carbohydrates that act as food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. They can be found in a variety of foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Examples of prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, Jerusalem artichokes, and bananas. These foods help to nourish the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can help to improve the balance of the gut microbiome and promote regular bowel movements. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso contain live microorganisms known as probiotics that can help keep your gut microbiome balanced. By doing so, these beneficial bacteria prevent constipation and improve overall digestive health through a strengthened gut barrier defense system to reduce inflammation and support regular bowel movements. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your meals for a healthier you. Conclusion. In conclusion, constipation doesn't have to be a constant battle. You can easily alleviate your symptoms and enjoy regular bowel movements with the right approach and techniques. We shared some of the most effective solutions for constipation, from increasing your fiber intake to staying hydrated and exercising regularly. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and strategies for managing constipation. Remember, the key is to take a holistic approach and find the best solution for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining a healthy gut. Thanks for watching.